Yo guys, what's going on? Hunter Gaming back at it again with another video. And today we're going to be on Madden Mobile doing 24 packs. And we have, I think, over 15, like 16, here, let's just go and check. So, 10, another one was 4, and here's 16. Yeah, 16. And then we got one legend packed, and the 2 toppers, and the trophy pack. So in a pro pack. So let's start off with the trophy packs. Start small here. Bronze and a silver, not good, but not bad. 2 silvers, that's pretty good for 2 trophy packs. Let's see. We get a gold trophy. Now here's this. I'm gonna tap them open. Oh shit. Sorry guys. So that was crap. Let's start off. So there we get Brent Selleck. I'll leave a legend pack for middle of the Team of the Year packs. Alright. We get a Malcolm Mitchell. And 80 Eric Decker, so we get 2 Malcolm Mitchells. Let's go down here and open it. Let's go here. Update team, Michael Bennett, Harrison Smith. I pulled 2 Harrison Smiths. Dude, that's 3 elites in 1 pack. That's sick. Oh my god. Sorry that I'm not freaking out. Just woke up. Alright. Let's keep going. Reveal all. Nothing. Reveal all. Oh. 91 Mike Evans, that's dope. 91 speed, 83 strength, 90 agility, 91 excel, 86 awareness, 87 catch, 94 jump. That is awesome. Seems we're gonna just do the reveal all. Oh my god. A Bud Dupree. I'm gonna open up the legend pack now. If I pull a legend, I'm gonna freak out. Ben Roethlisberger and Sam Shields. I'm assuming he's a new one, because I haven't seen him. Let's open all. No freaking way. Jonathan Babuza, LT collectible. And sorry for butchering his name. Dude, these packs are awesome. Just hope I can pull a Team of the Year. Ooh, a Darren Sproles 84 kick returner. And let's see. I don't know whether it's which one it is. Oh, this is the 10. So I think this is the Team of the Year. Andrew Whitworth, about 125k pull. Not bad, but not good. TJ Lang as an offensive guard. Let's reveal all. And there we get a Shaq Mason and a Wesley Woodyard. Let's keep going. Where's the fire? Let's get some fire. Ooh, 91 safety, Morgan Burnett. 88 speed, 85 excel, 85 awareness, 84 tackling, 87 zone, 88 pursuit, 83 agility. It's awesome. Alright. We get a Matt Moore there, I think. Alright. Reveal all. Not hard, not too much in that pack. But let's reveal all. And another trash pack. Dante Hightower. That's a okay pull. Will Fuller, I think I have him on my team actually. And an 80 Eric Decker. Sorry that you guys see update teams a lot. It's just my team isn't too good, and once I get 15 subs, I might sell the team, do like a big pack opening, and a big team squad builder. Ooh, Anthony Hitchens, Frank Gore. Oh my god, another lit pack. Perry Riley Jr. That has to be worth something. I'm gonna have to look that Frank Gore up. And 2 legend items. Amon Green and Amon Green. So let's go look up that Frank Gore. Let's go Frank Gore. Alright, let's see. It looks like we've got a 25k pull or so. Or, I lied. It looked to be that. So, 12.5k pull. But look at all that. That was a pretty good pack opening. Put this up for here. I'll let you guys see how much the Sam Shields is. Sam Shields, I think. Ooh. I'm not gonna guess, but I think it's higher than that. Jeez. Let's go with that. So it looks like, where is it? That's the only thing I hate about pack openings. Gotta go through and sell all that. Alright. Well, guys, I'd like to thank you all for watching. I'll scroll through back to the top of the elite polls. We got 2001 legend Amon Green, 1998 rookie Amon Green, LT 2003 legend, and let's keep going. Look at all those. Oh jeez. Oh my god, I just realized that my brightness was low. Guys, I'm so sorry. I was using it last night. So, Mike Evans, Morgan Burnett, Andrew Whitworth, Anthony Hitchens, Jonathan B. I'm gonna butcher it, so. Perry Riley Jr., Bud Dupree, Dante Hightower, Ben Roethlisberger, TJ Lang, Michael Bennett, Harrison Smith, 2 times. And then I'll read off the 84s. 2 Wesley Woodyards, 2 Shaq Masons. I think I already had a Darren Sproles before, but I'm going to say 2 Darren Sproles, 3 Will Fullers, 4. Well, guys, I'd like to thank you all for watching. I hope you all enjoyed. Be sure to comment down below what kind of content you'd like me to do. If you can get me to 15 subscribers, I'll sell my team, which, I mean, it's trash anyways, and I'll still have a good amount of coin. Oh yeah, I pulled him in the Pro Pack at the end of the opening, but I will sell my entire team and just go through and get like a 500k plus squad builder. But other than that, hopefully you guys have a wonderful and awesome, fantastic day or night. Goodbye, ladies and gentlemen.